Introduction to Automating Reminders in Outlook Calendar.
This Outlook calendar is a powerful tool for scheduling events, meetings, and tasks. By automating reminders, you can ensure that you never miss an important deadline or appointment. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up and customize reminders in Outlook Calendar for optimized time management and productivity.
Setting up automatic reminders for events.
To automatically receive reminders, create or open an event in your Outlook calendar. Look for the Reminders option, typically found in the event details. Choose how far in advance you want to be notified, such as 15 minutes, 1 hour, or even days before the event. Outlook will then alert you at the selected time.
Customizing reminders for different calendar items.
Customize reminders based on the type of event. For meetings, you might want a longer notice, while for quick tasks, a short reminder may suffice. In the event window, set a different reminder time for each item. This flexibility allows you to tailor notifications to fit your workflow and ensure timely preparation.
Changing default reminder settings.
Outlook lets you adjust default reminder times for all new calendar items. Go to File, then Options, and select the Calendar tab. Find the default reminder setting and choose your preferred lead time. Any new meetings or events you create will now use this default, streamlining your scheduling process.
Tips for managing and maximizing reminders.
For the best results, periodically review your reminders to eliminate duplicates or unnecessary alerts. Consider using color categories or flags in addition to reminders for more organization. By keeping your Outlook calendar tidy and reminders relevant, you'll stay on track and boost your productivity effortlessly.